Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to clear cache of Grindr app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the apps interface. Simply tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Find the application for Grindr and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Grindr. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like notifications, permissions, stories and cache, mobile data and Wi-Fi, etc. Tap on the option stories and cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Right now you can see over here this application has 5.53 MB of cache. So if you want to clear it, tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache will go down to 0B. That means the cache will be cleared. So that is how you clear cache of Grindr app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.